good, BFF? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feast. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today we're going to do just simply the best damn baked ham and cheese sandwich on the planet. Let's just make it real. Now, but anyway, guys, so we're doing a ham and cheese sliders today. And this is baked in the oven using the Hawaiian buns. And I know you've probably seen videos of this, but this is Big Tone style. So all you gotta do is sit back and relax and enjoy the video. And before I forget, let me explain. Guys, the way a YouTuber gets popular, or the way it advances our channel, is if you like the video, you need to like it, comment it, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. That helps us grow, so we really do appreciate it. It's totally free. You don't have to do anything for us. So if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some baked ham and cheese sliders.
It's about to go down.
Alright, so the supporting cast is pretty simple for this. We got our King's Hawaiian bread. They didn't have the sweet ones, so I got the savory ones. So anyway, we got those. You're going to leave them intact pretty much. And then this is kind of important. You got to have a pan. It gets a little messy, so you want to put some foil on it just to catch all that. Then I got two different types of cheeses. I got Swiss cheese, I got provolone. Just because one person in the household doesn't like Swiss, so you got the provolone. Some butter. I got this Deli Fresh honey ham, which I actually like. It works perfect for these. No sense in spending all that big money for deli ham that you got to pay $7 a pound for. And then for the sauce that goes on top, butter, honey, mustard, a little bit of Dijon mustard, some roasted sesame seeds, and that's it. So guys, only thing we got left to do, and by the way, let me tell you, preheat your oven 350 degrees before you even get started. Alright, so let's get started with this. Alright, so the sauce that goes on top, real simple sauce. Really simple. So we got about a half a stick of butter, and I'm going to use about a teaspoon of this Dijon mustard. About a teaspoon of that. And I'm going to use a little bit of honey mustard because they didn't have the Hawaiian honey buns that I like. Alright, we're just going to simply mix that up. With the butter. And we're just going to set that aside. Now we're going to add our sesame seeds right on top once we put the butter and stuff there. But that's all we're going to do for the sauce. Let's get started on the actual sandwiches now. I'm only going to use half of the loaf of Hawaiian buns that I bought. There's only 2 of us in the household, no use, so making all those up will probably waste them anyway. So I'm going to do 6 here. Alright, so we're going to take a nice serrated knife. We're going to cut these buns while they're still intact, right in half. Just like that. You got the top half and the bottom half, and I kind of butchered it, but it doesn't really matter. Alright, first things first, going to put our cheese on. Start with my Swiss cheese. And then I'm going to put a couple pieces of provolone here. That way she can be happy. There we go. Alright, and then we're just going to layer it with our ham. Obviously, I probably won't be using all that ham, so other packages will be lunch meat. So you just give it a little bit of body when you stack them up. Feel like you got some ham on the buns. Just like that. No rhyme or reason. Alright, and then sometimes, which I'm going to do today, is I'm going to put another slice of cheese on top of the ham. Just like that. And just like that. And then we're just going to put the top back on. Simple as that. Alright, let's glaze them up here. Alright, so we're just going to take our butter and mustard mixture, and we're just going to glaze it over the top. Real easy like that. Honestly, I may have made too much, but that's okay. Probably made as much as I was going to use for the whole, the whole loaf of bread. And then we're just going to sprinkle it with my toasted sesame seeds. Just like that. Now I'm going to take a little bit of more of the sauce, and I'm just going to drizzle the butter right over top. That's why it gets a little messy. So with that being said and done, that's the actual sandwiches. We're going to pop that in a 350 oven for about 15 minutes. And I probably will cover these for the first 10 minutes or so, and then uncover for the last part just so it gets nice and brown on top. Alright, let's put these in the oven. There you go. The best damn ham and cheese sliders. Baked ham and cheese sliders, I should say. Oh, I can't wait to get my mouth on these. Hey guys, let me plate these up, and I'm gonna get that bite. You know what I'm waiting on. Best damn ham and cheese sliders, baked ham and cheese sliders there is. Hey guys, you must try this at home, but you know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. I don't know. Maybe I should have did the whole loaf. I might eat all these myself.
This shit is bussin', no cap.
Dede, how's the food?
Hey guys, like I said earlier, all you have to do is like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.